Philosophy. This is physics. Every object on Earth possesses what is called a natural frequency, which depends on its size, shape, and composition. 1, 7. This explains how a singer can shatter a glass by hitting a certain note, which does not happen because the singer's voice has reached a particularly high pitch. Rather, it is a matter of attaining the natural frequency of the glass. As a result, all the energy in the sound of the singer's voice is transferred to the glass, and it shatters. The professional boxer, activist, and philanthropist nicknamed The Greatest, widely regarded as one of the most significant and celebrated sports figures of the 20th century, and as one of the greatest boxers of all time, used to not only match the frequencies of his opponent's training schedules, he used to do more frequently, so that when he stepped into the ring, he knew that they could never match his power, because his frequency was stronger. Everywhere in daily life, there are frequencies of sound and electromagnetic waves constantly changing and creating the features of the visible and audible world familiar to everyone. Some aspects of frequency can only be perceived indirectly, yet people are conscious of them without even thinking about it. A favorite radio station, for instance, may have a frequency of 99.7 megahertz. And fans of that station know that every time they turn the FM dial to that position, the station's signal will be there. Of course, people cannot hear radio and television frequencies, part of the electromagnetic spectrum, but the evidence for them is everywhere. Similarly, people are not conscious, in any direct sense, of frequencies in sound and light, yet without difference.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to a wonderful evening, and I'm your presenter for the day. I'm basically logging in from Bangalore, India. My name is Leena Joy, Joy Forever. I call myself, and that's what my mission and purpose is. I feel God gave me that Joy surname to spread that joy across the world. I realized it quite late in my life, but good I realized it. Welcome each and every one. I could see a lot of people on video. I love you guys. So I'm seeing Dr. Anil Kala, Mahi, Krishna. There are two to Krishna. Okay, we have one Krishna Savant. We have one Krishna Rathore. Prashant, Pritpalji, as always, sweetheart. We have Ram joining in from Chennai. Awesome. Fantastic. Love you guys. Ricardo. Wow. Where are you logging in from? Ricardo Martins. Are you in India or out? Uh, Fantastic. I'm going to get in touch with you. Satya, Sarita, Sharda. Welcome each and every one. And thank you for the video on, you know what, we are talking about energy. We are talking about vibration. If our video is on and I can see you guys, the connect would be much stronger. The bond would be much stronger. We can understand each other much stronger. And because the energy transmit, when I see you, I get energized, and when you see me, imagine I switch off my screen and talk to you, how will you feel? So you get energy when you see me, right? And that's why I need energy from you. So as much as possible, please keep your video on. Welcome once again. This is Leena Joy logging in from Bangalore. I am a certified life coach and a problem solving technique expert, which is known as Ho'oponopono. 10 years back, I started my own company called Live It Up with a mission that I can help people to live their best life by helping them to understand the mindset, manifestation, law of attraction, lifestyle, raising the frequency and the standard to live their best life. Now, what came in? What changed 3 years back? 3 years back, something revolutionized came into my life, and that was quantum physics related quantum healing. Like you have been invited here in the session, I was invited 3 years back, exactly 3 years. September, I was invited 2022. And we are close. I mean, this month, I'll be completing my 3 years. And like literally so proud of my decision that I accepted this technology in my life the day I saw it. And exactly like you, I was invited to a presentation. I understood what is the science behind quantum entanglement, how exactly our mental blockages, the emotional pains, the spiritual disconnects, and anything which is blocking us to live our best life, it can be identified and it can be aligned with the frequencies to correct the imbalances and get into the alignment mode. That is what we are going to discuss today with the help of a technology coming in from Germany, having more than 8 patents, gone across to 57 countries. And I can tell you, it brought in a paradigm shift into my life. And I promise you, next 1 hour, you have to promise me that you are going to be with me. No deviation, no distraction, no Netflix, no chatting, no Instagramming. So, here, focus here. 1 hour, if you can dedicate yourself to me and be mine. I promise you, I am yours. I will do my best. What it literally my wisdom, my knowledge, my experience, it can transform you. It can be a change paradigm shift into your life for 2025. Let's create that together. What are we talking about? We are talking about a technology which is coming in to optimize not just your physical well being, but also your mental, your emotional, your spiritual well being. Yes, you heard it right. Any technology, any product, if it has to literally say that it is the best product or the best service to go in the market, what it is supposed to do? It is supposed to resolve the problem in the society. What are we solving here? What are the problems? What are the issues which every family, whether it is my family, whether it is your family, and look around. What is the majority of issues today which we are facing in our society? If you see on my screen, uh, what you are seeing on my screen, all this is available, either one of them. If you look around, whether it is pain, whether it is depression, whether it is exhaustion, whether it is relationship challenges, hormonal imbalances, allergy issues, financial stress, the major thing, the job loss, I can only tell you, this is not what I am telling. It is as per the WHO report. It has been called out that more than 1.5 billion people today in the world are suffering with chronic pain. As per the stats, more than 1 billion people are suffering with mental disorders. Today, every 10th person is not able to have a proper REM sleep, rapid eye movement sleep, and they are suffering with insomnia. I mean, imagine what exactly this technology can do in these issues. The technology which we are talking about, whether any industry, whether it is allopathy, whether it is homeopathy, whether it is any alternative therapy, you ask the experts over there, where are these issues coming from? What is the root cause of these issues? It is all psychosomatic. Where it starts from? It starts from a thought level, what we are thinking, the emotions. What is emotion? Energy in motion. Anything which is in motion is vibration. And what is vibration? It is a cluster of frequency. If you have heard, if you have read the book by Louise Hay, beautifully she has explained in that book, Heal Your Life, Heal Your Body. Beautifully she calls it out that any disharmony in your emotional body is the reason why a physical illness comes up. Now, uh, your emotions has the power to create illness or create wellness. If that is so, the technology which we are talking about today is going to help us to come out from all these issues. How? Is it something like we have been talking about it, that energy, frequency, and vibration can help a human to live their best life? No. Hundreds of years back, if you see Nikola Tesla, he called it out that if you want to find the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, in terms of frequency, in terms of vibration. Right now, when you're listening to me, can you just sense my energy? Can you just feel my vibration? You can feel it, you can sense it. That It's not about anything artificial. I'm talking from my heart. I'm talking something which I've experienced. What exactly Nikola Tesla was trying to tell us? Nikola Tesla was trying to tell us that if you are not happy, I am not happy with my husband, he's not listening to me, my mother-in-law is not able to understand me, my bank balance I'm not happy with, I am not happy with the relationship, I'm not happy with my job, I'm not happy with my boss. What should I do? Should I just come out of this life itself, ruin it? No. What I need to do, I need to alter my energy. I want to change my frequency. I have to raise my vibration. When we do that, the environment changes. But is it so easy as I'm talking that within the click it can change? Is it so easy that listening to a radio channel, if I don't like the song in the channel, I, what should I do? Switch off? Clean it? No. I'll just change the channel. Now, if I'm talking, understand this beautifully, how Albert Einstein called it out, that everything in the life is vibration. Someone who is a grandfather of quantum science, he called it out. Right now, when you are listening to me, you can listen to me with an absorption understanding that what she is talking, I know it. Or let me see what she wants to call it out. Or I'm here to understand, I'm here to absorb, I'm not here to judge. There could be two frequencies. Whatever your thoughts are, it carries a frequency. It could be a low vibrational thought, it could be a thought of, let me not judge. I am here. There is no coincidences in life. If I am here, there is a higher purpose. There is a higher plan. And if that is your thought and you are listening to me, let me tell you, that's going to amplify. I promise you that everything in your life would be in your next level soon after this session. Get excited because I'm super excited to show you what this next 1 hour is going to tell you. I'm getting questions on my chats. I would request you that please note down your questions. I Once the session is over, around 40-45 minutes, I do my best to complete it. I will open up the question answer session. Okay, I promise you I'm not going to go without answering your question. So at the end we will take up the question. Now, um, everything in life is vibration. What exactly this statement means? Right now, if you think of a person whom you don't like, okay, somebody where you are not able to be yourself, you literally dim your voice, your shoulders will shrink, your confidence will go down. Just thinking of that person, now the vibration has gone down at that moment. You understand the vibration? Now someone whose aura is up, where you literally feel literally light up, and you have that confidence to be there, and that's where the vibration goes. We are talking about the energy, frequency, and vibration, that any situation, any circumstances where you are in, it doesn't matter. If we know how to, like a radio channel, if we can switch on that and we can raise that vibration up, irrespective of a situation and channel, irrespective of my mother-in-law not listening to me, irrespective of my husband not listening to me, but I know how to keep my vibration up. That's what the technology does. There's a small video which talks about how energy, frequency, and vibration has the power to alter the human health. We'll talk post this video.
One of the greatest inventors of all time, Nikola Tesla, the genius who lit the world, once said, "If you want to find the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration." Say you are listening to the radio in your car and do not like the music that you are hearing. What do? You change the frequency. What many people fail to realize is that we can take charge of our frequencies in the exact same way. We tend to reduce our body's anatomy down to a simplified version that consists of only flesh and blood. But everything on this planet, animals, plants, and water, are made of atoms, which produce, emit, and receive energy, which operates at a specific frequency. Everything. All our tissues, cells, organs, emotions, and thought patterns have their own unique electromagnetic fields, as do allergens, viruses, or bacteria. All things have a frequency, including you, the human body. It has been shown that a normal person has a frequency of 62 to 72 megahertz. When the body drops below this frequency, we begin to get into illness and disease states. For example, if our frequency drops to 58 megahertz, then we are likely to get a cold or flu. If our frequency drops to 42 megahertz, we become susceptible to cancer within the body. The lower the frequency, the closer we are to death.
The lower the frequency, the closer we are to death. What exactly this video was trying to tell us? It was showing that an ideal state of a human body is between 62 to 72 megahertz. When is it that it goes down to 58? When the person is more prone, where basically the immunity goes down, and when the immunity goes down, we are more prone any kind of fear, any kind of feeling about whether this month I can suffice the money which is there. If you are drinking a tea and there's sugar in it, the feeling about, oh my god, my sugar levels will go high. Any fear, if it is there in your body, it actually impacts your immunity, fear or insecurity. And if your immunity gets impacted, what happens? You are more prone to cold and fever. When is it that the frequency goes to around 42? When you are in suppressed emotions, you want to talk something but you are trying to make satisfy everyone around you, and you're dimming your light. When there are suppressed emotions for a longer period of time, these emotions sets up an alarm. Slowly it creates anxiety, it gets into depression, and then it leads to cancer. And that's where the frequency dips to 42. Now, as the radio channel which I spoke about, changing the song, if I don't like the channel, I can change the channel to the song which I like. Can I do it in my life as well? I can. How? Do we have a channel in our life, in our body? We have. There are four buttons which we have in our body. What are those? FTBA, feelings, thoughts, belief, and action. And these four buttons, if we can work on, as a manifestation coach, I work on this. If the four buttons, if you know how to switch it on, changing your feelings, changing your thought level, changing your belief, and tuning into the right action. If these four buttons can be aligned, your life can be aligned to a different level. Now, did anybody do it? In 1934, Royal Rife, if you go to Google, he invented a Rife machine where the machine, he was a medical doctor in US, and to prove that his machine works, where he was giving frequencies to align these four buttons in a human body, he actually appointed 16 cancer patients. And you know what? To the surprise, all the 16 cancer patients got cured with his machine, the frequency machine. He should have been given a Nobel Prize. But no, in that year, US government announced that no alternative therapy will be encouraged apart from allopathy. We are not in 1934. Royal Rife machine created a spark in the frequency industry. There are so many scientists who started writing books on it, started working on it, and you will find today so many books around which is talking about how the frequencies have the power to change the human reality. Now, whether you see the body electric, whether you see the electric body, electric health, frequency specific microcurrent and pain management, the resonance effect. The author of resonance effect, I have met her personally, Caroline McMcCain, in my last event in Vietnam and Bali. Beautiful lady, and the work she does in entire Europe, oh my god, mind blowing. Now you can see the book on the left corner is Second Path. Now he's a person who is the inventor of the technology which we are going to talk about. Marcus Mike, the Second Path. He is basically from Germany, and at the age of 16 years, he was very much devoted to learn quantum science in the university in Germany. He had a lot of questions which was unanswered. He was looking out for his answers. With the seeking into the quantum science, into the spirituality, he actually landed up into India. In India, I'm sorry, in India, he stayed in Himalayas, he went to Rishikesh, and he also learned astrology in Mayapur University. He finally started teaching astrology in the Mayapur University. He stayed in India for more than 10 years. And you know what happened? He eventually turned out to be a brahmachari, a monk. And what could be the intention of a monk? Now, with all his knowledge, which he's gained from India on quantum science, he went back to Germany and started mentoring under Burkhard Heim. If you Google Burkhard Heim, he is a field theory scientist. He was involved in giving equations for gravity, which is in coherence with the theory of relativity. Bukhardheim had the ability or the wisdom to tap into the eighth dimension of a human being. How many people here understands the three-dimensional world? Yeah, there. You remember in fifth standard, we learned about three dimension, height, width, x, y, z axis. You remember? Now, maybe we would have mugged up in the fifth standard, but after coming to this industry of quantum science, I understood the worth of it. Now, three-dimensional world, fourth dimension is time. Beyond time is Bukhardheim had the wisdom to tap into. Before Bukhardheim left this world, he was looking out for somebody to transfer this knowledge. Marcus Mike was a chosen one. Now, with the knowledge of quantum science and the knowledge of tapping into the eighth dimension of a human being, what Marcus did, he had a vision, he had a dream to invent a technology which can help humans to come out of their struggle, come out of their pain. No shuttling between home and hospital. They are their own doctors, they are their own healers. And what he did, he literally worked with one of his astrology student. His name is Christian Harper. Now, Christian Harper is a billionaire in Germany running a vegan chain restaurant. And when Christian Harper heard about the idea what Marcus had, he was excited. And you know what he did? He donated 100 million euros to the company to get started. Now, with this donation, not just donated, he literally invested. And with this investment, Christian Harper became the CEO of the company and the co-founder of the company. Both of them, Marcus Mike has written more than 25 books, which is translated into 10 languages of quantum science. He is also a founder of Research Consciousness Research Center running in Rishikesh today. Now, he wanted to take his idea, his mission, with accessible to all humans. What he did, he started working with international team of scientists, physician, therapist, engineers, along with Christian Harper's help. Both of them started the company in Berlin. I will be in Berlin next week. I am traveling to Germany and I have the privilege to meet them personally, go to the office, and first time ever, I will be going to Kassen Castle and Berlin office, Healy office. Today, we have Healy in 57 countries. Now, the technology which both of them invented is available in 57 countries. And I can tell you, it's a unicorn. It's a unicorn. They have already crossed close to 1 billion euros. Now, what is the technology which we are talking about so much? What both of them did? Both of them came out with a technology which is known as time waver. Now, as the name suggests, something which is beyond time. Can you see that two white color boxes? In front of it is a Sony Vaio laptop. The person who is sitting in front of the laptop, he's an expert. He either a quantum scientist or a doctor. The girl who is lying down on a bean bag is basically the patient. She is holding two copper electrode. The wires are connected to the two white color box. That is the time waver machine. The time waver is the technology which is invented by Marcus. And what exactly time waver does? Time waver taps into the information field of a human being, accessing the beyond the fourth dimension up to the eighth dimension, and finding out or identifying the organs which has cells which are vibrating in a low frequency. Not just that, it also lists out in the report what are the mental blockages, what are the subconscious limiting beliefs, what are the nutritional deficiency, where exactly are the harmful toxins accumulated, is there any black magic, is there any evil eye, is there any the cell needs to be regenerated. All the karmic connection, any ancestors wound, any parental karma, all that comes out in the report. Now based on the report, what is the doctor doing sitting on the laptop? He is transferring the frequencies: 311, 1001, 2001, 4000, the permutation and combination of the frequencies based on their brain. They are transferring it to the lady to harmonize each and every cell of the body. And time waver machine cost around 50 lakhs to 1 crore. Even if me and you has it, we can't buy it because we need to be a quantum scientist or an expert doctor. Now in India, there are 13 clinics where we have time waver. There, each therapy cost around 15,000 to 20,000 per session. If you have diabetes or any chronic illness, you will have to come minimum 15 sittings. In spite of this high price, there is a waiting period of 3 to 6 months. So imagine how profound the therapies are. People are waiting for this session. I know my close doctors and my close therapists in India, in Bangalore, they are using time waver. Beautiful result. Now Marcus invented this time waver in 2006. By 2019, it became the Royal Royce of frequency therapy industry. He should be proud of his invention. But no, he was not. Why so? Because his invention was only accessible to the rich class. He wanted every family, every layman, every house to able to use this technology. And for that to happen, the price needs to be rationalized. What did Marcus do? Marcus got inspired by Steve Jobs. How many of you know the initial computers which came in? The super duper computers, bigger than the size of the house today. Howard Mark, more than $200,000 at that time. What happened? Steve Jobs came in and changed a paradigm shift into the computer industry. Today, the mobile phones which we are holding act as a computer in our hand. Exactly in the same manner, Marcus Mike transformed that big time waver machine into the small 2 by 2. You can see on my hand, 5 ounce 2 by 2. You can see it, yeah. 5 ounce and less than 5 ounce 2 by 2 small device which is known as HEALY, the brainchild of all the doctors. We actually say the doctor in your pocket. Why do we say that, the doctor in your pocket? What happened from 2006 to 2019? 2019, Healy was invented. In between this period, 2006 to 2019, more than 7 crores people got healed and cured with time waver. Now, all that data, 9 million frequencies, are stored in the medical server in Germany. What did Marcus do? Marcus worked with the software engineers, quantum scientists, and developed artificial intelligence based computer algorithms to access the data in that medical server, the 9 million frequencies. So, with the help of artificial intelligence via IoT over the cloud, it connects to the mobile through an app, and via Bluetooth, it connects to Healy. So the rocket science is time waver. What does Healy do? Healy has a quantum sensor at the back of it, and when I hold it, it has an ability to capture the prana of a human being. After capturing it, it will identify what are the imbalances, and it will connect to the medical server in Germany, pull out the frequency which is already proved that it has worked, and then transfers it to the human body. Beautifully taken. And I can tell you, I mean, we don't have to apply any intelligence because all that frequencies is the brainchild of the expert. There is I know you will be like, tell me more, I want to know more. I'm going to tell you more. It's very exciting. Stay tuned. There's a small video what exactly Healy is, and then we are going to talk more on it.
Healy is new, Healy is different, and Healy is extremely versatile. This little game changer is the first smartphone controlled wearable that provides easy support in all important areas of your life with the use of frequencies. Healy analyzes the frequencies you need right now. Then the smart wearable applies subtle currents and individualized frequencies to your body via its electrodes. It strengthens your balance and harmonizes imbalances. Fitness, holistic health, and inner and outer beauty. Healy, over 120 programs to provide energetical support for you, for your body, and for your cells. Every single cell in our body is a small power plant that constantly produces energy. One thing is particularly important for this, the natural cell membrane voltage. And this is where the Healy comes in. With Nuno Nina's Gold Cycle programs that focus on rebalancing your cells. Healy also has suitable programs for many other applications on board. Programs supporting relaxation if you have a headache or back pain, but also for learning, concentration, or exams. Healy even offers support for mental balance, sleep, and stress. The Healy Beauty programs are supposed to support your inner and outer beauty energetically. In sports, the Healy is meant to promote performance, muscles, and regeneration. At home or on the go, in your leisure time or at work. In our opinion, health begins with good balance in all areas of life. This is what Healy stands for, state-of-the-art wearable technology, made in Germany to the highest standards. Based on use by 2,000 practitioners worldwide, who have seen as many as 500,000 patients. Healy, for me, and for you, and for everyone.
Absolutely. Healy for me, for you, and for everyone. Once again, I'm just taking my video. Yeah. So while I'm talking to you and while I'm giving this presentation, I am talking and giving presentation, but you know what? At the same time, Healy is running for me. The program which I ran just before the presentation was coherence. Coherence is in coherence with the cosmic energy. Right now, I'm running a defense program. I am a people's person. Anytime is the problem with life coaches and healers, we absorb others energy very fast, and we need to protect our energy. We need to create a protection shield around us, and that's what the defense program does. So I am running the defense program right now. There are three ways of running it. One is Healy takes care of you at an emotional level. Healy takes care of you at your physical level and at your spiritual level. Now, at your physical level, there are three ways you can do it. One is with the wires. Can you see the wires in my hand and the lady who is on the screen? So this is like the wire which you need to just place it, and the wire one end will go on to the Healy. So it will get connected to Healy, and you have to take a program. Like I'm taking now defense. You will identify, Healy will do an analysis for you and tell you whether you need a detox, whether you need a liver program, whether you need a gallbladder program, whether there is any kind of cell regeneration required, whether there is any kind of kapha, pitta, vata, doshas in your body. Is your spleen, pancreas needs harmonization? Is your heart requires harmonization? Your gastrointestinal issues, nervous system issues? You don't have to apply your brain. And you will be surprised the way Healy will come up with a report, because you would have never thought it. Like sometimes, maybe in the childhood, maybe there would be strong suppressed emotions, which is the reason of the pain which is coming up. And you will be shocked to see that report. I can only tell you what Healy calls out in the report, 200% correct. I mean, there is no way you can hide it. Even something which I've never discussed with in my family, with my husband, with my child, Healy knows it. You just can't hide anything from Healy. One is wires, other is there is you can see the watch which I'm wearing. So this is so easy to use. I don't have any kind of wires in my hand. I don't have to use that. I have replaced it with a watch. So there is a watch here, and it's very easy to use. There is no hassle about putting the wire time. So this is something extra. So there are different ways of using it, and it is 75% more intense than the wires. There is third way, which is like anybody has with a coil. Now I'm going to show you the coil. Now with the coil also you can use it, where it works on the information field. So there is an information field, there is a bioenergetic field, and to the physical body. Bioenergetic field is the energy which is in connection with your environment, right? So every day what you're going through life, your energy is dipping down. We work on cleansing or to harmonize your bioenergetic field, your auric field. Information field is where your information of your past life, akashic record. How many of you have heard about akashic record? So we are cleansing your information field. Now how does it happen? One is the physical with the wires, one is directly plugging the accessories. There are different accessories. One is to your ears. Now what exactly the ear plug does? Any issue from your neck to your forehead, any kind of pain, any fever, migraine, spondylitis, this part, we use it as a ear plug. Magical results, right? Now we have an emotional body program, we have a physical body program. The physical body program requires accessories. The emotional body program can be run with distant healing as well. What does it mean? When I'm holding the Healy in my hand, I can run a program for my mother who is sitting now in Bhopal with my brother, and if she's down, she feels feverish, she has sugar levels dipping. What I will do, I will analyze her prana, capture the prana remotely, which we are going to teach you how to do it, and then analyze her body sitting in Bangalore. I can analyze somebody who is sitting in Bhopal and then give a remote healing as well, a distant healing as well. That's also possible. So one Healy can be used for all the family members in the house. Beautiful, right? And there are more than 300 programs. You have programs for your emotional healing, the Bach flowers, Sizzler salt, I Ching, homeopathy psyche. We have programs for aura, checking your all your 7 chakras, and it will tell you which chakra is down, whether it is the this janma problem or it is a previous janma problem, something which you are carrying in your DNA. It will list out in the report, and based on that we will take frequency. And so beautiful programs, and more than 300 plus programs for your emotional auric body. Not just that, we also have manifestation related programs. We will talk more in detail. Healy is not something where somebody was sitting in China or somebody was sitting in any remote area in Karnataka and came out overnight that to be invented. No, it came out from Germany with the more precision, accurate precision, anything coming from Germany. If you know the quality and performance of it, we got a seal of more than 8 patents. We have also got a certification from CE0482. If you just Google 0482, you will come to know how many trials it goes through. The safety hazardous trial, the placebo effect trials, the environmental trials. With multiple trials, it took 10 years for company to get the certification. Now 57 countries, that means 57 governments have accepted it and certified it. We have got a science based approval because it is in collaboration with doctors and practitioners. It has a quality and performance seal, and it has more than 8 patents. Even the Healy at the back of it has a quantum sensor, the back of it. Now when you hold it in your hand, it is sensing my mind, it is reading my mind, it is reading my organs, it is reading my relationship, it is reading my sex life, it is reading my past life, it is reading my DNA. And then based on that, it will tell you what frequencies to take to harmonize it, to balance it. to identify the imbalances and then correct it. Now, the quantum sensor, which is at the back of it, is also patented. The entire process, remember I told you, the artificial intelligence based through IoT, it connects via cloud to the medical server, to the frequency, and Bluetooth via your app through Bluetooth, it connects to Healy. The entire process is patented. Now, how does Healy work? We all understand the upper layer of the body is made with muscles. If you go one level down, what is it made of? Tissues, organs, cells. There are more than 70 trillion cells in our body. Do we expect doctors to take care of 70 trillion cells? Seriously? I mean, we go to the doctor and say that I've got pain. Please check 70 trillion cells where exactly the pain is coming from. Possible? No. Foreign technology is possible? Yes. Now, coming down, what are cells made of? Molecules, atoms. What are atoms made of? Subatomic particles. Where is this coming from? Energy, frequency, and vibration. Now, where is this coming from? This is coming from, what is it made of? The information field, the Akashic field. The information field carries the information of your soul, the consciousness. And what is Healy doing? Healy is tapping here. Healy is tapping into the information field, extracting the right frequency, cleansing all the old memories, cleansing what is unwanted, and aligning the right frequency, sending it to your bioenergetic field to harmonize your bioenergetic field. And when your bioenergetic field gets harmonized, your auric field gets harmonized, what happens? Your energy changes, your frequency changes, your vibration changes. In turn, your atoms, molecules, cells, and your body becomes the doctor, and the food becomes the medicine. There are the days wherein people just revert back in 1 week of using Healy, nothing changed. The same sambar rice, the same dal chawal has turned out to be medicine today, because whatever they were eating before Healy came in was nothing getting absorbed in the body. The cells were accumulated with toxins, harmful toxins. When Healy came in, it cleansed the cell, regenerated the cell, absorbed the nutrition, and that's where the food became the medicine and the body became the doctor. We actually say that you do your blood test before using Healy. Check your WBC count, check your RBC count, check your hemoglobin count. Use 1 week Healy and see the levels which it shoots up to the positive levels. Now, what is the science behind it? The science behind it, Healy has the ability to capture the prana. Now, what is prana? Like human being has, every human has a unique fingerprint. In the same manner, every human has a unique prana. Now, what is the significance of the prana? Prana is aligning your mind, body, and soul. That means what we are thinking, what we are speaking, and what the soul is craving for, it is connected. It should not be the case that we are thinking something else, we are speaking something else, and our soul wants something else. That's where there is a disalignment. That's where there is a disruption, and we attract struggles, we attract relationship issues, we attract money issues. Now, what does Healy do? Now, there are a lot of scientists who has worked on it, to identify what is the cause of the disruption in the prana energy. Prana is the most vital component of our existence. Now, all the scientific industry, the scientific journals have proven that our emotions, how many of you agree with me, an emotion of fear causes an impact in your kidney, an emotion of anger creates an impact in your liver, an emotion of lack of joy, that means you keep doing for your family, forgetting the joys which you need to do, activities which you gives you joy, and you are not doing that. What happens? Lack of joy, finally leading to depression and heart attacks. Now, sadness, sadness, deep grief, what it leads to, it impacts your spleen, pancreas, your lungs gets impacted. Now, all these emotions, this whenever there is an emotional imbalance, it actually creates a disruption in the prana flow. And whenever there is a prana flow disrupted, what happens? Our cell starts vibrating in a low energy. What does Healy do? Healy works at all the three levels. It works correcting your prana flow, it works correcting your emotional balance, and it works correcting the cells which are already impacted. It works at a cell level to get harmonized. How does it do so? Capturing the prana is a ability of the Healy. Once we do that, we have distant healing. We can do distant healing to work on the information field, to cleanse the information field. And if any, like, your any kind of past life stories or any kind of deep rooted stories which are stored in your information about your past, about your future, we are working on that. And then we work on the bioenergetic field. The bioenergetic field, we work to cleanse the emotional imbalances. Any deep pain, any deep hurts, any deep insults, any deep embarrassments which you have gone through in your life since childhood. We feel we have overcome it, but somewhere it is creating an energetic blockages. Healy has the power to identify that energetic blockage and heal it, to come out of it. And what is the third level Healy helps? Working at your cell level. How does Healy help at your cell level? Through microcurrents. Microcurrents have been used hundreds of years back with thousands of doctors, and it has been seen that people who use microcurrents by the doctors, they increase the amino acid transport. It shoots up to 40% just because of the increase in the amino acid transport, which is quite profound. It actually has in turn creates an increase in the protein synthesis. If you don't understand these two, very technical for me also, doctors will understand it. Just understand, morning till evening, we all need energy. Right now when I'm talking to you, I need energy. Where is this energy coming from? This energy is coming from the mitochondria of your cell, where ATP production happens, adenosine triphosphate. I also don't remember, I read it. Adenosine triphosphate gets 500% ATP production shoots up. And that's why you will see people who use Healy, midnight 2 a.m. also you wake them up, their energy levels would be very high and quite profound. There are two eminent scientists, Professor Robert Becker and Professor Von Nonstorm. Both of them came with a theory of cell membrane potential voltage. If you see, for a healthy body, every cell in a body has a microcurrent. And that's why we say we are electromagnetic body. And what we are thinking is an electric current which we are sending out. And what we are feeling is a magnetic current which we are attracting. So if we are thinking positive, but we are not feeling positive, that's where the law of attraction doesn't happen. If you're thinking, you're feeling, your beliefs and your actions, that's where the attraction happens. Now, if you see, there is something known as the voltage differential between the inner membrane of the cell and the outer membrane of the cell is known as cell membrane potential voltage. And between minus 90 to minus 60, known as a healthy cell, between the minus 60 to minus 30, it is an aging and the sick cells. What does Healy do? Healy brings back the aging and the sick cells to the healthy cell. Now, while we are talking, it might, a new country would be getting launched at the background. While we are talking, a new doctor, a new therapist, a new layman, a new healer would be downloading the app. More than 200,000 applications for more than 57 countries, more than 2,500 professional. Every minute, every half an hour, there is a new Healy getting launched, there is a new Healy getting downloaded. And that's how things are going. Healy is on fire, I can tell you. It's literally on rapid fire. And now, health advisory board, if you see, they are the who and who's of the industry. 25 years, 30 years into the quantum science industry, having their clinics across the world. If you see Caroline McMcCain, I have met her personally, and she has written the book The Resonance Effect. Now, she is the official healer of NFL. Like in India, we have IPL, National Football League. Football, NFL, is in Europe. And the players on the ground, when they get injured, they are not given tablets or injections, they are given frequencies to recover back. Caroline McMcCain has collaborated with Healy, and whatever program which she has developed, the frequencies which she has developed for the players out, she has also, we have the privilege to use it as well. So congratulations, you will be witnessing it. Now, more than 300 programs in Healy. I always tell that I wish that I could have gone to a doctor before Healy came in. I was so much in stress, in spite of being a life coach, in spite of doing Ho'oponopono. I was feeling some void because I was doing Ho'oponopono, but my family was not. So somewhere I was feeling that some kind of deviation is there. What more? What more I can do? What? And that's where Healy came in. Now imagine you are not get you are in sleepless night, and what is the reason of it? My daughter is in 10th, my daughter is in 12th, she's not able to study properly, and I'm getting a sleepless night. I wish there was a pill for it. I wish there was a pill to bring in harmony in my relationship. I wish there was a pill for getting my bank balance to the extent fulfilling all my dreams and fantasies. Now, possible? Now it's possible through frequencies. Now through frequencies, I can't go to the doctor and tell that please activate my third eye chakra and please activate my root chakra so that financial abundance comes in. I can't go to the doctor and tell that please activate my crown chakra so that I'm in alignment with the universe. Now here you have to activate your chakras, your learning, focus, concentration, your emotional needs. What is it that emotionally is creating energetic suffering? The main reason of our suffering is the energetic suffering. And what does Healy do? Now, anything which comes in a physical body stays in your emotional body. uh, Doctors, when they treat, it is not their issue. Because of them we got Healy. It is a brainchild of all the doctors, remember that. Now, but the point is, when you have seen, when the cancer goes out, it comes back. When the gallbladder stone goes out, it comes back. When the kidney stone goes out, it comes back. Relationship issues goes out, comes back. Money problem goes out, comes back. Why? Because the energetic blockage which is causing that particular problem is not cleansed. Only the physical body is cleansed. And if you clean the physical body with tablets, injections, therapies, surgeries, but your emotional body is not clean, the same issue will come back again. What is Healy doing? Healy is working on your emotional front, cleansing the emotional part, cleansing the physical part, helping you to align with your spiritual in alignment with the cosmic energy. That's where you are in full alignment. So we have a certificate from Europe, and in Europe, Healy has been classified as a class 2 medical device for the treatment of pain in chronic pain, fibromyalgia, skeleton pain, migraine, as well as for the supportive treatment of mental illness, depression, anxiety, related sleep disorder. I can only tell you, I mean, it's very unfortunate that the medical industry only understands this. There is much more Healy can do. Healy is FDA cleared. There is a group in Facebook, the Frequency Experience Group, where everyone, people like you and me, doctors, therapists, scientists, everyone are here. So you can ask for an invite to this group, and the person who has invited you here can get you the link to be in this part of the group. And you will have, I mean, all the testimonials, people who are using it. I have taken few testimony where people have shared their information, and for just for the presentation today. Now here, every house has a woman who goes through a menstrual cramp. Every month we will have mood swings, body pain, back pain, not feeling like to talk to anybody, but still we have to get up and work. Now here she is actually calling it out that, you know what, I was in medication. She was literally in medication, and after using Healy for 2 months, the medication stopped. And today she has extra energy, and she's saying that my life is as normal. If you go to the second one, the depression, beautifully she has shown the picture of before and after. And what is a program? In the middle, what you're seeing, the snapshot, no, those are the programs. The gold cycle. Gold cycle is a detox where when Healy comes in your hand, the first 7 days, we only do detox. So pure is purification, purifying each and every cell of your body, Care is working on your immunity level, balancing your body, immunity part, being, working on your soul level, energy, raising your ATP levels, relax, activating your parasympathetic nervous system, release acts as a painkiller. So, any kind of pain, whether it is emotional pain, whether it is physical pain, releasing it out of the body. Now, just with a detox, 80% people feel so good. Now, this 7 days, in spite of whatever challenges you're going through, no shortcut. We actually take you through this 7 days. And the best part is, in 7 days, people fall in love with Healy. On the eighth day, they try to see that where can I get my next Healy. Now, there are so many programs: chronic pain, chronic back pain, migraine is a beautiful. The testimony is she was taking medicines. How many people here have migraine issue? Miraculous result. Please stop taking that pills, which has so much of side effect. I promise you, you will never ever have to go through that experience of very bad headache. Now, due to stress, I wasn't aware of is that because of the stress, there is a chronic stress fracture. And this lady with a small baby, she was not able to bend to just brush her teeth, also, that much pain. And after using Healy, today she says, zero medication. I sleep like a baby and run around with my 4-year-old. I mean, when you hear all these testimonies, what do you feel? You feel like, oh my God, you are in the right place, transforming people's life. And this has become my mission today. This has become my purpose today, that I can help every person to stop shuttling between that home and hospital. Now, the skin issues, eczema, psoriasis, there are so many testimonies. Let me call out. We don't claim to cure, treat, or diagnose any disease, but when we work on your body and we identify the imbalance, we correct that imbalance and then harmonize your cells. Automatically, the body becomes the doctor, the food becomes the medicine, and it will help you to transform from the imbalances which you're going through. um, Prostate, one of my team member was telling me that their dad, when they get up at night, before he reaches the restroom, he will leak out because of the prostate issue. Imagine today our parents what they need: not a costly vacation, not an expensive dress. What they need is a beautiful sound sleep coming out of all the illnesses. Healy is a beautiful gift for our parents, for our elders. Learning and concentration. My child is the perfect example of this. She was completely into dance, a choreography, always passionate about dance. From, I feel, 1 year old, she started dancing. 2 year old, she was in the dance class. Today, she is 18 years old. I'm celebrating her 18th birthday coming Sunday. And I'm such a proud mother to tell you that 10th standard, Healy came into my life. And till the ninth standard, she has never touched even 60%. I mean, achieving 60% was the wildest imagination. After Healy came in, I mean, the child who was not sitting for 5 minutes to study, she was sitting whole night studying. In fact, I have to shake her up. Please, I have food. Take rest. And you know what? To my surprise, she passed out in 10th standard with 92%. In 11th standard, 93%. In 12th standard, 97%. She's a state rank holder, and I'm proud to say that she has never gone down. And it is not like she is using Healy 24 hours. Only before the exam, only before the exam, she will say, Mama, take out the genie. And I have seen when the children use Healy, their third eye chakra gets activated, the intuition power gets activated. It is a science, it is no magic. And when the intuition is high, she knows what to study and what to lose. The child becomes more smarter. Internet addiction, any kind of internet with addiction, whether it is smoking, whether it is alcohol, whether it is internet, whether it is Netflix, whether it is porn movies, it could be anything. I can only tell you, inner contentment, inner unity is the reason why people get into addiction. If they can feel that happiness, joy within, and that's how Healy helps them to transform with beautiful programs. We have digital nutrition. Can you just imagine nutrition in the form of frequency? Now, whatever you are eating today, it helps us to absorb, and the weight loss, oh my God, phenomenal result. I can go on talking about it. Okay, this is something which I don't want to skip. uh, Pets, I am an animal lover, a pet parent as well. I feed around 100 plus dogs every day, and I can tell you, before Healy, it was an emotional trauma for me taking them to a veterinary hospital. More than they go through the emotional trauma, I will not be able to sleep and have food. And after Healy came in, gone. Now remotely I treat them, I heal them. Even on the road, my streeties, they are beautiful in terms of their health, and I'm just loving it. I feel like it's a prayer answered for me. This was my prayer to God, to save them, to rescue them. Now there's a small video. We will talk more on it, and I will directly come another 5 minutes, and we are good to close. And then we are going to start the question answer session.
What do you think of Healy? I absolutely love it. Like, it's amazing. I'm blown away. Like, I can feel everything. I don't know. I just feel like it really came at a right and opportune time. It's amazing. I could cry. Like, it's to that level. Like, I'm like, this is it.
Yeah, awesome.
Yeah.
I'll send that too.
Yeah.
For the first time in 11 years, I haven't taken a Panadol Forte, which was my daily thing in 4 weeks. And I used to take like up to 10 a day, which was just...
About 15 or 20 minutes into the frequency, his whole demeanour just changed and the colour came back into his face. And he said to me, I'm great now, I feel good, Mum, I'm just going to go ride my bike for a bit. And he just took his Healy off, went outside and did a lap of the block on his bike, and completely feeling fantastic again.
My energy levels were great, my moods were balanced.
My mind feels like I've had, for lack of a better word, a brain flush.
And the other thing is, I always notice when I run the skin program, the next morning my skin feels like it's 100% silk. It's just unbelievable.
I'm getting the results right now, and it's actually blowing my mind.
And I've just put on these little ear electrodes and ran. Healy has a migraine program that you can run. And honestly, I've been running it for the past 10 minutes. And the symptoms of my migraine have gone down about 80%.
My sense of calm is back, my happiness is back, my mental clarity, my concentration, my sleep, my blissful sleep is back.
Number one, back pain. And I almost fell out of my chair when I saw that. I was like, oh my God, the level of intelligence that this device has is absolutely mind-blowing.
Absolutely. As I told you, like, you just can't hide any secrets from Healy, and everything comes out. So be prepared. All the dark secrets would be coming out. So it's just for the betterment of us. What you are thinking, what you are feeling, what you are speaking, it will be aligning. And I can only tell you, if you are not thinking right, if you are not, we always say that law of attraction, some people feel like it's a fantasy. Not at all. It is basically a cosmic alignment. It is a cosmic principle where it aligns your complete FTBA. Remember, feeling, thought, belief, and action. Now, I'm going to jump onto how you can own it. Now, this is Art of Living, Jai Gurudev. Art of Living, Guruji has actually accepted it from us, Healy. And I can tell you, he was surprised and shocked the way Healy works. Through his naked eye, he can scan the human body and tell you that which chakra is down of which person. And we made him to scan the body, and then we ran Healy, the chakras program, and then again asked him to scan the body of another human. He was surprised that how the chakras got activated soon after a Healy program, and what can happen through a Kriya can now happen through technology. He was quite surprised. And I don't want to announce it now. It is not yet official, but we are in talks with Gurudev to get Healy collaborated, and almost on the final verge of signing an MOU where Healy would be in the Art of Living ashram and helping autistic kids. There are a lot of autistic children who are getting help with Healy frequencies. I can keep on talking about it, but let's come to the fact that how you can own it in your hand. Now, as I told you, remember Time Waver, which is 50 lakhs, to 1 crore. Healy can do 70% of what Time Waver can do. That means 70 lakhs, 7 lakhs, not even that. Healy starts with less than the cost of your insurance, less than the cost of your mobile phone. If you just calculate the mobile phone which is there in your house, and that too not permanent, one Healy for lifelong. And it starts with 5 models. With a Healy Gold from 43,000, it goes around to 3,29,000. Each of these modules have programs based on your body related, mind related, soul related. There is a 30% off which is there in this month. So congratulations. These prices will again come down. From Healy Resonance onwards is a 30% off. So that means 1,23,000 comes down to 91,000, and these are the body related programs where you are getting 98 Healy program. 2,05,000 comes down to 1,55,000, and these are body and mind related programs. The Healy Professional has the combination of all the defense, mind, body, and soul, or bioenergetic vitalization program, the stem cell shots. If you go to a doctor, most of the celebrities, and also if the doctor will ask you for a knee replacement or the spinal cord, he gives you time for cell to be regenerated, and the cell regeneration stem cell shots injections cost around 50,000 to 1 lakh, and you need to take these injections per quarter. Or even celebrities use it for anti-aging. Now, the same stem cell shots frequencies are given to you in the form of frequencies for lifelong and for every person in your family. Now, all these three, one Healy can be used for everyone in your family the day you order it from the person who has invited you. The person who has invited you will share the link to you to avail all the promotions. When you click on that link from the Blue Dart Courier, we have the corporate head office in Bangalore in India. We have got a warehouse in Delhi, and within a week you will be getting your Healy through the Blue Dart Courier in your house. The day you receive it, from that day to the 14 days, it's a trial period. What do you mean by that? That means there would be a power buddy assigned to you and teach you how to use. The first 7 days would be a detox cycle, and the post detox, we will be looking into your main focus areas and working on that. In 14 days, if you are not able to resonate with it, you don't have to wait for 14. Just after the detox 7 days, if you are not able to resonate with it, get the money back. No question asked. Not even a 1 rupee would be deducted, because the aim of the company is to satisfy everyone. 14 days is a good amount of period. Basically, we see that in Healy you can see the transformation, or you can connect with it, resonate with it in 2 days of running the program. That means around 6 programs. In 2 days you can take 6 physical programs. Now 2 years, there is anything happens to your Healy, any damage which happens to your Healy, it will be completely replaced. After 2 years, anything which is happening to your Healy, only damage cost, which will be around 15 to 20,000. The frequencies would be given to you lifelong. Tell me from where exactly this is pricey, yaar. 1 night hospitalization charges will cost you more than this. And Healy has the power to tell you what's going to come up in your physical body in 6 months from today, in 1 year from today. What is a chronic illness which is staying in your emotional body and not yet manifested in the physical body? Healy can show you that. And it will help you not to create the alarms, but working on the right time. Now, there is another beautiful device which we have is Mac Healy. Mac Healy works on your emotional body, in your physical body, and based on your thought level, your lifestyle, your patterns, your relationship. Now, Mac Healy works on your environment. 3-meter diameter, 10 feet height. Each and every one in your environment would be getting the frequencies. It has prosperity, family harmony, food frequencies, water frequencies, manifestations in Healy as well. You can do it. Please connect with the person who has invited you. There is specific trainings on how to use coaching analysis for manifestation. I have done trainings on Ho'oponopono. I have done trainings on manifestation. We have a system. We have a system where we give trainings on personality development, communication skills. I mean, there is a shift in the energies if you enter into this community. If you are open enough, if you have a beautiful heart, we are open to welcome you as a distributor, as an affiliate marketer. I can tell you, I mean, you could be a healer. If you have never done healing, learn it from us. We can make you a healer. Learn how to give healing to people and charge them. You can be financially free. There is a community which helps you that. So understand this from the person who has invited you. And if you need any further details on it, how to get rewarded in euros, how to get rewarded in earning by helping somebody to come out of the illness, is also a community which we have. So welcome in it, and I am there to help you out. If you need any further details, we will have a separate offline session on that. Thank you so much. I feel I'm done. I am going to open it out for questions. Okay, guys, I'm back, and I hope nobody is sleeping. Fantastic. Now, what we are going to do is you are going to raise your hand, your virtual hand, and because I will be able to unmute you, or there is a pop-up which comes up to unmute, give you permission to unmute. So if I can see your virtual hand, I know that you have a question. And if you have a question, I will give you a permission to unmute, and then we can talk. It is your life, right? I'm pretty sure you will have a question, but there will be very few people who will be able to call out, because we have, our upbringing is in a manner that we feel like, let somebody ask, or let someone else tell, or I know everything, or we will assume it, or I will Google it. I can tell you, if you want to go ahead and Google it today, everything is available in Google. But how many lives are changing? How many chronic illness are coming out? Now, if we are here to change and transform, please ask your questions. I will do my best to help you to understand it. There we go. Bhargavi. Okay, darling. I have given you permission to unmute. If you can come on video, nothing like that.
I'm not comfortable on video.
That's okay.
Ma'am, I want to ask you that this price is too much, but we can apply for EMI, like we can purchase.
We do have EMI to connect with the person who is, it works on the credit card, and please connect with the person who has invited you. Who has invited you, Bhargavi?
Something Anjali.
Anjali.
Anita.
Anita. Okay, great. Please connect with Anita and she will be able to help you. If there is an EMI option, and plus you see that you want to start with a smaller one and then upgrade to the higher one later, you can do that also.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, thank you.
Welcome. Someshwar. Oh, you are on video.
Yes, ma'am. Is it audible, ma'am?
Perfect. Loud and clear.
First of all, thank you so much right from the bottom of my heart for this spellbound session. It's spellbound, which can't express in simple words. It's a spellbound.
You made my day.
Today, yeah, thank you so much, ma'am. And today is a blessed day for me, I think so. Because exactly 10 minutes before the session, I received this call, ma'am. I don't even think anything else. It was quite interesting with respect to artificial. I heard many things about healing, so much about healing. But this combo, artificial intelligence with this, no, the next shift is artificial intelligence, no more. This,
yes,
that was triggered me to attend this session. It's spellbound. I can't reach. Excellent spellbound session, and I want to. I think today is a blessed day, and
it is.
Yeah, blessed day, and I will be in touch with you, ma'am.
Sure. Who has invited you here?
exactly 10 minutes before, ma'am. Just 1 minute, ma'am. I received a call from. I have no.
Okay, one thing which I want to tell everyone, yeah, I
Yeah.
missed it out. Please connect with the person who has invited you and go through a complete therapy. They will give you a free demo. Okay,
Sure.
so they will show you how the emotional body analysis work. They will analyze your body, show you your report, show you your auric field, which chakras are not aligned, which chakras is activated, whether it is this janma, whether it is previous janma, everything they are going to show you absolutely free. So don't miss out on it.
Like,
Please get in touch with the person.
yeah. The subject is like the multi-dimension cube, man. With respect to health, with respect to astrology, indirectly, it's connects to astrology, and not even mental peace. It's like a multi-dimension cube, Rubik's cube. No, it's like a colorful subject.
There are many
Yeah,
astrologers,
many dimensions.
numerologists, life coaches who are working with us.
Excellent, ma'am. Thank you
So
so much.
Somasharji, thank you so much for
Thank you so
coming
much.
here and sharing your thoughts.
Thank you so
Please
much.
connect with the person who has invited you.
Sure, ma'am. Sure.
Dr. Anil, I'm going to unmute you.
Okay. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Well, I've got Healy and I've used it also last 1 month.
Okay.
Haven't really experienced too much of a improvement because there's not too much of a problems which I feel. You know?
Okay. You are in part. Who has given you Healy, sir? Have you attended any trainings with us?
Yes, Mr. Pushparaj is the one I'm in touch with. We are close friends.
Push, sir?
Yeah, and
he is a top leader. And so, where are you from, sir? Which place?
Yeah, I'm in Delhi, and he was in Delhi 2 weeks back, and that's when he put me in. And
so Healy has come in your life is how many days?
Yeah, he sent me the Healy instrument about 6 months back, but I didn't use it. So while he was here last month,
not fair.
Absolutely
if 6 months you are keeping it and you're telling me Healy is not working, so you have to use it, sir. There is a complete training of what we need to do first 7 days, post 7 days, and there is a complete recording of the training what we do. If you have missed out on the training, please connect with Pusher and I can send Pusher the training, or tell Pusher to send it to you. The first 7 days, post 7 days, and there is also a white app where if you are looking out for a particular ailment to transform, then you can go and type that ailment. So you can say my sugar levels, my BP, my cholesterol, and Healy will tell you what frequencies to run to harmonize that area.
Perfectly all right. Yeah, he has sent me, and I think today there was a morning session for the first 7 days usage thing.
Oh yeah, you attended that?
Yes, I have partly attended that because I had some meetings, so I could not finish it. I'll go through the recording because I saw the recording was there.
Please use it, and I can only tell you, have that surrender, have that trust, have that faith. Have you attended a testimony night which happened just one week back? Did you attend it?
Yes, I have attended.
Okay.
What happened
When
last week,
thousands and millions of people are getting results, why not you and me? It's not possible.
You see, I don't need any more because I spoke to Mr. Pushparaj's mother in Jammu and asked her the feedback straight. Kya farak pada hai? Because his own brother is a doctor. Her brother and wife, bhabis are doctors, and we've grown up together. So I could pick up and said कि ये कितना क्या बेच रहा है और क्या मुझे टोपी पहना रहा है.
उनको फर्क पड़ा?
Yeah. He was very happy, and the way she spoke to me. And I had spoken to her, I think, about a year back, and she was not in a good shape at all. At that time, she's I think touching 90 now.
Now she is good.
And like she was joking and laughing and saying, she's walking around.
I promise you, if you have that surrender and trust and using Healy as we are telling you to use, you will be participating in the testimony night. Then the next testimony night, you will be sharing your testimony. So
well, I have to create some problems then. You see, that's what I was telling him. I think देखो मैंने 2 बार गोल्ड साइकिल ले लिया, उसके बाद मैंने यूज करना बंद किया. I was feeling fine earlier also. I'm feeling fine now also. हाँ, थोड़ा सा मेरा वेट रिडक्शन के लिए मैं कितने सालों से कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. उसका मुझे कुछ बता दो. Then he told me there are specific programs, blah 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 blah. I need to do it rather than only keeping it. So I now am serious about it. And
maybe Healy is coming to your life, sir. Don't think from a illness angle. Think from a purpose angle. So there could be a higher purpose. There could be a higher mission. What Healy wants to do. Healy is a channel. It is a channel connecting us with the cosmic energy. And if your health is good, and by this age you know how to keep your health good, I feel now it's a purpose for you to teach others how to stay fit.
Exactly. That's what Lina Pushpas told me, and that's what I feel makes a lot of sense. As such, I'm into part healthcare also, but I'm more into technology projects. So which I see that could be probably the next mission. बहुत हो गया other things.
आप सबको help करो आप. So help them to be joyful and active and fit like you.
Yeah, absolutely. That's the whole aim, and I'm going to start, from my family, because my wife is the one. I want her to. She's, arthritic patient, so I want her to be, first cured, and then
enroll yourself in the system. We have a beautiful community of We Champions, so enroll yourself to be there in the system, and you will be taken care. So you don't have to worry, and please ask Push Sir how to enroll and be the part of the community, and I'll work closely with you. Nothing to worry. If you need any help, take advice from Push Sir. You don't need anybody else apart from him. We all learn from him.
I told him, मेरे को कोई दिल्ली में गाइड दे दो. He said मैं हूँ ना यार, किस लिए? तो
आपको कोई भी गाइड इंडिया में चाहिए तो आप हमसे कनेक्ट कर सकते हो.
I have you now. Perfectly all right. Awesome. And Alina, one thing, if you could guide me, this band which is there, I wish to procure that. How to go about?
Highwave.
Yes.
This is Healy Highwave. So you need to just log in with your credential to india.healy.shop, and you will find there Healy Highwave. Just simple, add to the cart and check out. Right now it is a perfect time. There is a 21,000 discount. It is somewhere around 83. You are getting it in 62. 60 or 62. So there's a last stock, and this price will be there until the stock lasts.
Perfectly all right. I'll go ahead. Yeah, because
it's quite convenient, and I have heard that it works on the inner membrane of the cell, and it is 75% more intense than the wire.
Okay. Because I did face this challenge that anyone I want to help go out, it binds me, and then it's a little of distraction. So if the band is there and a wireless process happens, I think the acceptance will be much.
Yeah, it's much more easier and much more convenient for you to use it. Yeah.
How can I connect with you? You can share your number with me.
Sure, you can connect with Push Sir. Push Sir will share my number to you.
Okay, perfect. Thank you very much.
Bye. See you. Have a great day. Thank you. Thanks. Naeem Nanji, I have given you permission to unmute. Naeem Nanji, are you getting a pop-up to unmute? So I can only give you permission to unmute. You have to unmute from your end. Okay, your video is off. I can't see you. If you can switch on your video and show me some signs where you need help. Are you able to unmute? I can only talk to you when you unmute. Okay. Looks like some technical glitch. Please connect with the person who has invited you, and they will be able to answer you any questions you still have. And even if you want to connect with us, with me, you can connect through them. Okay, so you will get all the help. Get on to your demo session and go through how the emotional blue app works, pink app works, white app works. कैसा है, क्या है, get into it. At least understand it. Don't leave that opportunity what is coming in front of you. Maybe this is what you were waiting for. Maybe this was the prayer which you have been asking for. Tomorrow, again, when you go back to God and ask the same prayer, even He will be laughing. He will be like, De diya, I have already given you. Now don't ask me more. You already received it from Leena's session today. So take it seriously. You have again tried to raise your hand, Naeem Nanji. If you can unmute, I am here to help you. हाँ, आपने अभी unmute किया था. I saw you getting unmuted for a second. Okay, fine. There is some technique. Oh, I can see you. Okay. Yeah, can you talk? I can see you raising hand on video. Some Zoom glitch? Not able to unmute? Oh, not an issue. Get in touch with the person who has invited you and I will be able to help you out. Okay, we can also connect offline after this session. Yeah? Perfect. I love that. So all of you guys, I'm seeing you inside the community. I welcome you inside the community. And okay, Lakshmi, you have raised your hand. Are you able to unmute, dear? What is happening? Nobody's able to unmute or what?
Hello, can you hear
Yeah.
me? Can you
Yes,
hear
I
me?
can.
Sorry,
Perfect.
I won't be able to be on camera,
Absolutely fine.
but I have two questions for you regarding what you have shared today. I was thinking maybe this app is much more convenient sorry for me being so blunt, for people who are not aware that we can do healing differently than conventional medicine. Because I am a mindset mastery coach, I practice somatic healing, Reiki healing, energy healing to my clients. And I've been working on myself. I am a huge follower of Louise Hay, and I know that everything happens on the aura etheric body first before it attacks the physical body. And my question today is, how can we relate to it? Does that mean that the moment I will be using the Healy app, I no longer need to continue with my inner work that I've been doing for years, like breath work, yoga, meditation, mudra, or any other spiritual practice I'm committed to? Does that mean that I no longer need to do it? I just lazy around and then the app will be doing the work for me? How does it work?
Whatever you are blessed with, if you are blessed with the understanding of Reiki healing, somatic healing, and these are the gift of yours. Now, this is the gift which you have been talented and you have been given. Not every person is gifted, right? So nothing has to be stopped, which you have been doing it. You have to keep doing it. But there is a purpose, there is a mission why Healy is coming in your life, and we need to identify that. Now, when you are healing your client, maybe you need to be protected. Maybe your clients, when you are healing them, there could be you will see the shift in the result when what is coming. When you are doing somatic healing, Reiki healing, when you start doing it along with Healy to your clients, the result which was coming in 5 days may start coming up in a day's time or a 2 days, 3 days. You will see that turnover would be much more than what we were doing without Healy. You will also see something intense happening in your life as well. There could be something related to your past life or something related to your dreams or desires or your mission or your higher purpose where Healy is connecting you with. I don't know why you are seeing this session. I don't know why you are here listening to this, but I know that there is a bigger purpose to it, either to your client's life or to your energy to be protected, to create a protection shield around you, even while you are sleeping. Your clients need you. Even midnight 2 a.m., there is somebody out suffering and waiting for your time. While you are waiting, while you are in vacation, while you are in sleeping, Can you give them healing through Healy? And you can still be on vacation, you can still be on rest, but why somebody has to wait when you are not around? So maybe that could be the thing which Healy is coming in for. I don't know, Lakshmi ma'am, you need to identify it. But what are the possibilities which I have seen as a Reiki healer? There are a lot of Reiki grandmasters who have been working, and they have been telling me that their work has become much more intense and the results are very powerful. You have to experience it and come back and tell us, why did Healy came into your life? Lakshmi ma'am, you are unmuted.
Yeah, I was muted. I don't know why, but you have not really answered my question directly. It's okay. Because see, okay, I know about my bigger purpose because I've been on that journey doing it. Now my question is, okay, you told about two things. I need protection. How does Healy app protect me when I'm already doing grounding, buff soul, protective shield? How does it, I just want to know, how does it add to my journey right now? This is first. Second is, does my client need to buy that app for them to be healed more by me?
First question, how you are going to use it? You are going to use it protecting your energy, protecting your
No,
aura.
no, that's not my question. My question is, I'm already doing certain practice to
Keep doing.
protect my energy.
Yeah.
I am already doing it through various practices. My question is, how does Healy app comes as a bonus to me to protect me more than I'm already protecting me?
Let's see that. Let's see that in the analysis. Why are me and you applying the intelligence? Why don't you connect with the person, capture the prana, analyze your crown chakra, analyze all the 7 chakras, analyze your auric field, and see whether you resonate with it, what Healy tells you. Healy will tell you something about your childhood thing. Healy will tell you something about your subconscious beliefs. Healy will tell you something about your ancestors' trauma, about your parents, your relationship. See whether that is correct. See whether that resonates with you. And if you feel that is correct, then maybe Healy has come to protect that, maybe change that. There is something additional which is required apart from the energies what you are using. Me and you will not have the answer, neither will our intelligence will have that answer. There is an artificial intelligence which is working on it. The first thing which you have to do is analyze your aura, analyze your prana, and let's see what your reports tell us, and see whether you're really convinced with the report. I mean, you feel resonating with that report. If not, ignore.
No, I'm not so far. So far, I'm not convinced about that app.
You have not
I'm
seen
that
the
kind
report.
No, I'm telling you, so far what have been shared, I'm that kind of person. I prefer to be true to myself to tell you. Okay.
Absolutely.
My question is, how can it bring more to my life compared to what I'm already doing? My second question is, how do my client need to buy the app for them to be healed by me, for them to get better results?
For your clients to get better result, they can either buy it or you can give them distant healing. You as a healer, you are a healer. There are so many healers out in the world. They were all doing such a beautiful workout. What was the reason why Healy has to come in? Healy has to come in so that the dependency on the healers are still required. It's not like healers are not required, but the healers along with the people, if we teach them, be dependent but also have the power in your hand to heal yourself. If your clients feel the dependency on you, give them distant healing. If the clients feel that they want to be independent as you to take care of their mind, body and soul, give them Healy in their hand. They can own a Healy in their hand, and company will reward you as a healer and a mentor, where you will be part of our community, where you are serving people through Healy as well. So both the ways it will work. You can capture their prana, Give them distant healing along with your healing and see whether it is powerful or it is still the same. Or if your clients feel that I want to come down with the dependency on you and make me also a healer, make me completely dependent, that I can take care of my body, I can take care of my emotions, I can cleanse my information field, give them a Healy. And we will train them, plug them to the community, plug them to the system, where we will teach them how they can be a powerful healer as well. Now, why healers are important? Healers are important because they are empaths. They know how to connect. It is not just about a technology, it is about the energy, which the intention, the feeling which you hold this, have that gratitude, and then heal somebody. Because healers have a high level of energy, they know how to have a powerful intention, they know how to connect with the vibration of others. That's why Healy becomes more powerful in the hands of healers. But whether your clients need it, let them have a visit on the Healy, show them how does it work. First of all, you need to be convinced, and you will only be convinced, Lakshmi ma'am, when you have a complete demo of it, experience of it, 14 days. Just experience it. I'm telling you, don't apply brains, just experience it. You will be spellbound with the transformation you will be getting. If you know, we have renowned Reiki grandmasters, somatic healers, astrologers, life coaches in India who are working with us. First, tell me who has invited you, Lakshmi ma'am?
I can't remember the name actually. I think it's Lina, maybe. Vanshika.
Okay. Tell Vanshika to get in touch with either me or with your leader, whoever is the leader. Connect with them, and we will be able to help you out how exactly Reiki healers, how exactly all the somatic healers are using Healy in their life. And you will, once you understand it, then you take a decision whether to go for it or not. Before that, one request: don't apply intelligence, and for some time, for little bit time,
No,
and give us a chance.
Me working with energy, I know what we are seeing right now with our physical body, physical senses, does not is only a very finite particle of what is out there. This you don't need to convince me. I'm already aware. My concern is only, is Healy doing the job that we are not able to do right now? This is what is my concern. That's all.
Healy is not replacing you, ma'am. Healy is just scaling you up to the next level. So please connect with the person, have a demo done. You will be literally spellbound after seeing your reports. I want you to see your reports and come back and tell me that whether you were able to resonate with it.
Okay. I have another question, which was quite triggering for me when you said that. You said that, can I ask the question? Can I ask?
Yes, you can.
Okay, so thank you. Yeah, you talk about how Healy app can activate our third eye. And for me, it was, I've been practicing so many years of spiritual practice. My guru from the Himalayas have given us so many practices. Does that mean today just a device like that will replace the guru, the teachings of the Himalayas? When I went through training in the Himalayas in 2023, does that mean that just an I know about the advent, the importance of technology in our daily life, how it is helping us. But does that mean that only an electronic device tomorrow will activate someone's third chakra without any discipline in their life, without any healing in their life, without working on their past traumas, generational traumas, without doing meditation, breath work, and all what needs to be done to achieve that high level where we can activate our third eye chakra? Does that mean that only an electronic device tomorrow will do it?
there is a certain protocol. So your understanding is correct. Nothing happens overnight, things change. There is protocol how to use Healy. So first we work on understanding the attention areas in your body. That's why I said when you see the demo, you will also understand how do we go step by step. We don't directly jump into activating your third eye chakra. We first work on your superficial layers to cleanse it. What exactly you are, who is Lena, what exactly Lena is the all that superficial layers, our upbringing, our parental thing, our karmic life, everything is so much loaded up that we have forgotten who Lena is. First thing, we work on understanding the awareness what Lena wants in her life, and we will cleanse it, cleanse it, cleanse it, one layer, one layer, one layer. We will start peeling off one layer after other, and then we work on the emotional baggages what the person is carrying. Any kind of deep emotional sufferings which is going on, it is still accumulated, some residue of that emotional pains which is still accumulated. Healy will identify that and work on that. And once that is done, then we work on your auric level, then we work on your chakras level, understanding whether it is a physical level, whether it is a mental level, whether it is an emotional level, whether it is a spiritual level, where the blockages are. Not just that, it also connects with your karmic connection. So it literally illustrates that if your third eye is down, what is the reason why it is down? What made that third eye go down? Something related to your connection, something related to your relation, something related to your energies. What is it that you are not able to trust people? When your third eye is down, there is a trust issue. What made that trust issue to be shaken up? And Healy will list out the reasons behind why you don't trust today. And that's where Healy will work on it. It is very scientific. It is not like clicking on a button and the third eye is up. No, clicking on a button and understanding what was the reason your self-esteem goes down and solar plexus gets impacted. What was the reason there was a fear and insecurity and your root chakra gets impacted? What was the reason that your connection with the cosmic energies was not maintained and your crown chakra got impacted? Now, when you go through that reason, you will be able to resonate with it. And that's where Healy runs the frequency. If you are in acceptance, if you are not in acceptance, Healy is not doing against your free will. What you are thinking and what you are feeling, you are resonating with that thought, what Healy is showing you, the frequencies will amplify it. But if you are not accepting it, if you are feeling, no, this is not correct, I don't resonate with it, the frequencies will not do anything. It will not go against your free will. So Healy will only work with your surrender, with your trust, with your acceptance, and you see the magic behind. Ma'am, you are there.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I've been listening. I've been nodding at all whatever you have shared. It's okay. Everyone has their own thought pattern, but I can't connect with that part when you say, if I surrender to the cosmic energy. I can't surrender to an electronic device. I'm not doing it.
Right
So
now,
far, I'm not doing
yes,
it.
that's okay, ma'am. It is your call. It is you. If you don't resonate with it, it's okay. But Healy has knocked at your door. It will keep knocking, because we always say Healy is so divine that once if somebody has knocked at your door and you are not ready to understand it, it will come again. It will come again. It will come again. So if it has to reach your life, it will reach some or the other way. Either we understand it in the first shot, or he has the plan to make you understand. I don't know how. So please get in touch with the person who has invited you here and give it a chance, give it a shot. I'm pretty sure you won't regret, you won't be disappointed. You are the person who will come back and tell me that, Lena, you were right. And this is the purpose why Healy came in. And I'm so eager to listen to it. So I'll wait for your testimony to come in, Lakshmi ma'am. Go for it. Give a chance. Give a shot.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Bye-bye. You have a great evening, and thank you for asking that question. Okay. Okay, looks like everyone are enjoying what Lakshmi ma'am was asking, and all of you were here. 60 people are here with me still. If you still have any questions, there was one more hand which was up, and looks like it got answered with Lakshmi ma'am. So thank you so much, Lakshmi ma'am. I feel your question would have answered a lot of people. So get in touch with a person, have a demo done, and we can keep thinking. We can keep thinking how it will work, what it will bring to my life. There is no harm in going through a demo and understanding it. There is no harm in 14 days of doing a trial session. Okay, you never know what is kept for you. You never know what is miracles which will unfold in your life. If you believe in miracles, go for it. And if you believe it, you will see it. I can promise you that. And give a shot and come back and please tell me how it went in. Thank you so much for such a beautiful, patiently waiting and being there in the question answer session. I love you guys. I'm going to see you inside in the frequency community. Bye bye until we meet next. See ya.